morning guys, my name is the Old Mechanic and welcome back in my shed. Today I have a special offer. The guys from AOOCCI, I have no idea how to pronounce it, but guys, this is a great offer. This is about a motorcycle display, a smart display. So you can use Android Auto or Apple CarPlay to ride your routes, use Google Maps, see your WhatsApp messages, all in one display. And for the coming holidays, they have a special offer and they asked me show it to you so you can benefit from it. It's not their latest model, but it's on sale right now. And guys, even this is not their top-notch model, their flagship, it is still a really good smart display and for a great price. And if you use my coupon code, you can even save more. You have it for a better price. This one is at this moment, have a look, €197 or $229 or £174. And that's without my coupon code, so you get it even cheaper. And guys, a quick look at the AOOCCI. This is the C6-PRO, and guys, and they upgraded. This is still the one they sent me a few months ago, but right now they upgraded it. This is still a bit how it looks. You get a nice big screen, and with big I mean a big screen, guys. Watch. Hop. Now watch. Unfortunately for some people it's a no-go, but it's not detachable. So, but it has a built-in GPS module. My remark back then was that it's plastic. The latest model, it's an upgrade from this one, and it is better, absolute. More aluminium, sturdier, better. You get the remote control, and guys, the TPMS. I reviewed by now 5 or 6 or maybe more of those smart displays, and sometimes you have to buy them separately, and this comes in the box, and it comes with 2 cameras with a viewing angle of 140 degrees, which is better than some other models. They have 120 degrees, this 140. Keep that in mind. You get all the tools with it. The brackets. Yeah. This bracket. A bracket for the remote control. So, and even a sunshade. Sun visor. I'm not sure how to call it. So guys, if you don't have a lot of money to spend and you still want to upgrade your bike, not your phone dangling on your bar, it's not good for your phone, they say, and you're into the market, guys, this is a great deal at this moment. So I would say grab it. Well guys, what can I say more? Wait a minute, I have to look. There are a few things that I want to point out. And this is plastic, the bracket, and the ones they have now, the upgraded model, has an aluminium bracket. So it's much better. And guys, the price is really great. And I like that. If you buy it and you email them your boot screen, a picture of you and your bike or whatever, they implement it on your screen. So when you put your bike on ignition, it's the boot logo, the boot screen is your picture. I really like that. It's just a gimmick, but I like it. So guys, if you're into the market for a smart screen, just have a look at this display. It's from AOOCCI, AOOCCI. Not sure how to pronounce it, guys. Oh, I hate it. And considering the price, it's a great screen. If I had money to spend, I already have one on my bike, I seriously would consider this one. It has all the features expensiver models has too. It is a bit, yeah, plastic. But then again, guys, who cares? For that price. Keep that in mind, eh? I hope you enjoyed this video. Give me thumbs up, guys. Subscribe to my channel, eh? It costs nothing. It's fully free. And you can unsubscribe anytime you want. And give me your hype points. It's wonderful. Now, I hope you learned a few things, get a tip. Maybe it's something to ask for underneath the Christmas tree. I'll see you the next time. And for now, Old Mechanic out.